your guidance. Now I request Rotarian past President Kishore Bhau Rathi to introduce our guest speaker, Rotarian past District Governor Mohan Bhai Palesha. Over to Kishore Bhau Rathi.
President and friends, past District Governor Mohan Palesha does not need any introduction to our club because this will be his 10th address to our club. During since he became past district governor and also at the time of governorship, we enjoyed his presence in our club. He gladly accepts our invitation whenever we invite him. We always enjoy his motivating speech on a Rotary subject as he makes it very interesting with his Urdu poetry and anecdotes. Rotarian PTG Mohan is a graduate engineer from College of Engineering, Pune, and he has mastery over English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, and Urdu languages. PTG Mohan is a chartered member of Rotary Club of Pune East and served as district governor in 2011-2012. He has held many district positions, including DRFC from 2013 to 2016. And was instrumental in collecting $3 million for the Rotary Foundation. He is a major donor, level 3, and donated $50,000 to Rotary Foundation. He has trained many Rotarians, president-elects, and always actively participated in district conferences. He and Lalita have one son, Siddharth, who is in the business of furniture under the brand name Onyx, and one daughter, Tina, who has master's degree in mass communication. Friends, I present PDG Mohan Palesha. Thank you.
Over to Mohan Bhai.
Yeah. Thank you, Kishore Bhau, for those kind words of introduction. I am happy to notice that you have noticed that it's my 10th visit to your club, because you have been instrumental in inviting me at many occasions. And it's indeed a real pleasure to interact with all the senior Rotarians, the stalwarts in your club. It's always been a pleasure. But now, under these virtual meetings, the new normal as we call it, we really miss that particular warmth that we have been used to from Rotary Club of Pune. President Deepak Londe, Honorary Secretary Kalnar Moses, past District Governor Sand, past District Governor Vivek, Director Club Service Major General Jambu Sarwala, Membership Development Chair Ramesh Ji Gupta, Program Committee Chair Narendra Pal Bakshi Ji, Editor for your Pune Service Bill Sanjay Kher, Galaxy of past presidents, incoming club leaders, Rotarians and spouses. Here I would like to make a special mention for those Rotarians who have taken the effort and joined today's meeting. Serving President of Rotary Club of Downtown Firoz Masters, District Officer, past President Bridge Sethi, Nanak Chandji Gupta, past President Nanak Chandji Gupta from District 3190, Subrata Singh from 3240, and Rotarian Mantosh from Bangladesh. It's a pleasure to have you here for one of the most effective and vibrant club, that is Rotary Club of Pune, chartered in 1936 and still gaining strength every year. So you'll be happy to interact with all the Rotarians here, no doubt about it. Bakshi ji, thanks to you for your insisting and following up for today's meeting. दीपक हा बक्षी जो नरेंद्र पाल जो आहे तो मागे लागला होता माझ्या, म्हणजे 2 महिने त्यांनी मागे फोन करणं हे ते विचारणं, आणि ही मेड इट अ पॉइंट की मी आपल्या व्हर्च्युअल मीटिंगला मी येतो म्हणून मी त्याला सांगितलं सुद्धा दीपक की मला व्हर्च्युअल मीटिंग मध्ये एवढी मजा येत नाही, एवढा आनंद येत नाही. नाही म्हणे तुम्ही बघा पण तुम्ही या. तर थँक्स बक्षी. थँक्स बक्षी. Deepak, I was going through your message in Pune Service Wheel, very well published by editor Sanjay Kher, and I liked your statement, which I will quote here. As Rotarians, we look at the changes and challenges as a time of opportunity. It's time for all of us to open ourselves up to learning new skills and doing projects in new ways. Further, you have echoed the sentiments expressed by our world leader, Holger Neck, in the theme for the year, Rotary Opens Opportunities. Your club, chartered in 1936, more than 84 years, is going strong every year. And I'm highly impressed by amazing work undertaken in water and watershed projects in Taluka Akola and other projects in Medical Avenue as well as other avenues also. Your emphasis for holistic project and especially for Divyang children strikes a chord because that's my passion too in Rotary. Wish you and all your team members a great Rotary year in these new normal circumstances also. I have witnessed some glimpses today that all the work is going on, donations are also pouring in, and all your service projects are in pipeline. August, as we know, is the designated month for membership development. In my address today, I would like to share some of my views on worldwide scenario in membership, the scenario in our country and our district, and what are the action plans which can be done. But before I start my presentation, कुछ फरमाइश बख्शी जी जो आई है वो पहले मैं पूरी कर लेता हूँ। एक किस्सा आपसे शेयर करना चाहूंगा। क्या आपको पता है 1947 से जन्नत में, स्वर्ग में भी एक रोटरी क्लब है? बख्शी जी, 1947 से जन्नत में भी एक रोटरी क्लब है और उस क्लब का नाम है रोटरी क्लब ऑफ हेवन इलीट।
वाओ।
हाँ, और जब उनको पता चला कि भाई हमारे नरेंद्र पाल जी जो है यहाँ पर रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पूना की मीटिंग में जो आपने जो शीर्षक जो दिया है, हर एक जोड़ो एक, ईच वन रीच वन, ये उनको बहुत पसंद है। तो वहां पे उनके जो प्रोग्राम कमेटी के चेयरपर्सन हैं, उन्होंने यहाँ पर इनको बख्शी जी को फोन कर दिया, दीपक बख्शी जी को फोन कर दिया और फोन करके उनको पूछा कि भाई कैसे चल रहा है रोटरी, यहाँ पे सब ठीक चल रहा है? तो बख्शी जी ने कहा हाँ ठीक ही चल रहा है, थोड़ा अटेंडेंस का इश्यू होता है कभी वगैरह वगैरह, ऐसी बातें हो रही थी। तो वहां पर जो जन्नत में जो रोटरी क्लब है वहां पर अटेंडेंस की कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। यहाँ वहां की दो चार बातें होने के बाद उनका जो मूल सवाल था वो उन्होंने बख्शी जी से पूछा। हमने सुना है कि ये मोहन पालेशा ठीक ठाक बोलते हैं, अच्छा कुछ स्पीच देते हैं रोटरी के बारे में, क्या ये बात सही है? बख्शी जी ने कहा हाँ हमने तो सुना है उनको। तो हमारी जो आने वाले इतवार को जो 30 तारीख को हमारी जो रोटरी मीटिंग है उसमें हमारे पास स्पीकर नहीं है, तो क्या हम मोहन पालेशा से रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं? अभी भाइयों और बहनों सोचिए कि ये सिर्फ बात जहन में आने से कि हमारी जिंदगी जो है, ये हमारी जिंदगी इतनी अनसर्टन है, लाइफ इज सो अनसर्टन, कि सिर्फ ये ख्याल आने से कि भाई हमारी ये जीवन की डोर ये कभी भी खत्म हो सकती है और हमें, अभी हम जनरस डोनर तो है रोटरी के, इसलिए हमें ऑटोमेटिकली पासवर्ड मिलता है स्वर्ग में जाने का, ये आप सबको पता है। दीपक भाई आप भी ध्यान रखना, इस वर्ष में $1000 और उससे ज्यादा कोई भी डोनेशन अगर देता है रोटरी फाउंडेशन को तो उसको स्वर्ग में जाने का पासवर्ड मिलता है। ये स्कीम आप बड़े जोरों से चला सकते हो। तो स्वर्ग में तो हम सब जाने वाले हैं, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है, लेकिन कब जाने वाले हैं इसके बारे में पता नहीं। एक शायर की कुछ पंक्तियां मैं यहाँ पर प्रस्तुत करूंगा कि ये जिंदगी आज जो तुम्हारे बदन की छोटी बड़ी नसों में मचल रही है, ये जिंदगी आज जो तुम्हारे बदन की छोटी बड़ी नसों में मचल रही है, तुम्हारे पैरों से चल रही है, तुम्हारी आवाज में गले से निकल रही है, तुम्हारे लफ्जों में ढल रही है। ये जिंदगी न जाने कितनी सदियों से यूं ही शक्लें बदलती रही, बदलती शक्लों में बदलते जिस्मों में चलता फिरता ये एक शरारा जो कि इस घड़ी नाम है तुम्हारा। इसी से सारी चहल पहल है, इसी से रोशन है हर नजारा। सितारे तोड़ो या घर बसाओ, अलम उठाओ या सर झुकाओ, तुम्हारी आंखों की रोशनी तक है खेल सारा, ये खेल होगा नहीं दोबारा, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा।
वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात।
हम जानते हैं, हम समझते हैं कि ये जिंदगी दोबारा मिलने वाली नहीं है। जैसे अभी बख्शी जी ने यहाँ पर ये बात बताई कि गणेशोत्सव चल रहा है। अभी गणेशोत्सव जिस दिन शुरू होता है उसी दिन जैन धर्म में उनका जो सबसे बड़ा जो एक पर्व होता है, पर्व पर्युषण, वो गणेशोत्सव के दिन ही उसका लास्ट डे होता है। तो पर्व पर्युषण के दिनों में भी मंदिर जी में जाकर भगवान के दर्शन नहीं कर पा रहे थे, गणेश जी के दर्शन भी नहीं कर पा रहे थे। ये जो कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक जो आ गया है, इस पैंडेमिक में इतनी सारी चीजें में बदलाव हो गया है। हम जब घर पर लॉकडाउन में बैठे थे, काफी चीजों के बारे में जब सोच रहे थे, तो ये मटेरियलिस्टिक चीजों की तरफ जो हमारा रुझान है वो कितना सही है, कितना सही नहीं है, इन सब बातों पर जब गौर करना शुरू किया तो कुछ बातें जो ध्यान में आ रही थी, कुछ पंक्तियां एक कवि की यहाँ पर मैं बताऊंगा कि ईश्वर आज अवकाश पर है। ये पैंडेमिक के दौरान ईश्वर आज अवकाश पर है, ना मंदिर की घंटी बजाइए। ईश्वर आज अवकाश पर है, ना मंदिर की घंटी बजाइए। जो बैठा है बूढ़ा अकेला पार्क में, उसके साथ समय बिताइए। ईश्वर है पीड़ित परिवार के साथ, जो अस्पताल में परेशान है, उस परिवार की मदद कराइए। जो मर गया हो किसी के परिवार में कोई, उस परिवार को सांत्वना दे आइए। एक चौराहे पर खड़ा युवक काम की तलाश में, उसे रोजगार के अवसर दिलवाइए। ईश्वर है चाय की दुकान पर उस अनाथ बच्चे के साथ, जो कप प्लेट धो रहा है। पाल सकते हैं, पढ़ा सकते हैं तो पढ़ाइए। एक बूढ़ी औरत है, एक बूढ़ी औरत है जो दर दर भटक रही है, उसे एक अच्छा सा लिबास दिलाइए। हो सके तो नारी आश्रम छोड़ाइए। ईश्वर आज अवकाश पर है, ना मंदिर की घंटी बजाइए। मंदिर की घंटी बजाने से हमारा जो कार्य हम रोटरी में जो करते आ रहे हैं, रोटरी में हम जो कार्य करते आ रहे हैं, और मैं आपके क्लब का तो इतना बड़ा फैन हूं, वास्तव में कहता हूं कि आपके क्लब में जो वार्मथ, फेलोशिप, जो एक दूसरे से जो भाईचारा जो है, इस प्रकार का जो मिलता है, जो और किसी क्लब में ये हम देख नहीं सकते, समझ नहीं सकते। आपके 91 मेंबर्स है, दीपक ने मुझे बताया कि अभी इस वर्ष में और 10 मेंबर्स बढ़ाएंगे। ये ताकत जो है आपकी, आपके मेंबर्स इतने सीनियर है, फिर भी रेगुलरली उनका जो आना जाना है क्लब के कंट्रीब्यूशन में, वो सबसे बड़ी बात है, और जिसका मैं बहुत ही बड़ा फैन हूँ। और इसी तरीके से आपका और हमारा ये जो प्यार है, ये बढ़ते रहे भविष्य में, ये बात मैं डेफिनेटली चाहता हूँ। लॉकडाउन के बारे में 4 पंक्तियां कहूंगा दीपक, और उसके बाद मेरे मेन एड्रेस पे आ जाऊंगा कि दुनिया अब भी हसीन है। लॉकडाउन के दौरान ये एहसास, लॉकडाउन के दौरान ये एहसास कि जो कुछ आज भी है मेरे पास, गौर से देखो ये काफी है। मुझे इससे ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए, मुझे रहने दीजिए, मेरी माफी है। 100 में से 50 नंबर जो आए हैं, 100 में से 50 नंबर जो आए हैं, जैसे भी जितने भी कमाए हैं, जो है मैं उन्हें देखकर बहुत खुश हूं। जो नहीं है वो कब हमारे हो पाए। गौर तो कीजिए, गौर तो कीजिए, दुनिया अब भी हसीन है। सर पे छत है, रसोई में खाना है, नीचे जमीन है। उनसे पूछिए, उनसे पूछिए जिनके पास 100 में से कुछ भी नहीं बचा। उनसे पूछिए जिनके पास 100 में से कुछ भी नहीं बचा। आपको अपने 50 भी अच्छे लगने लगेंगे, हमें पूरा यकीन है। सर पे छत है, नीचे जमीन है, दुनिया अब भी हसीन है। दुनिया अब भी हसीन है, ये हम मानते हैं, और ये रोटरी में ही हमने ये सब बातें सीखी है। और इस तरीके से हमारा रोटरी का जो कार्य है वो हमारा बढ़ते जाए, इसमें ही सब बात में आगे ये सब बातें बढ़ने वाली है हमारी। मैं थोड़ा एक ये प्रेजेंटेशन मेरा लगा देता हूं। Deepak, you can see the screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. जैसे मैंने कहा कि बख्शी जी ने ये सजेस्ट किया था, हर एक जोड़ो एक, सो वी मीन ईच वन रीच वन. फ्रेंड्स, 1st July 2020, the number of clubs in Rotary is 36,159, and we have always been talking about 1.2 million Rotarians, but now we are not 1.2 million Rotarians. 11,74,890 is the figure on 1st July 2020. Last 40 years, the best period was 1980 to 1995. This 1.5 decade, wherein we saw 100% growth in Rotary. 1980, we were 6 lakh Rotarians, and by 1995, we touched for the first time 1.2 million, that is 12 lakh Rotarians. But since 1995, for last 25 years, 1995 till date 2020, we are blocked in the box of 1.2 million. And not only blocked, we are sleeping below 1.2 million. And that's the cause of concern. We'll try to understand in next 15 minutes as to what are the reasons for this slippage or this stagnancy in the Rotary membership. I will express my views, and if time permits, we can interact on some of the issues. That call will be taken by people. Now, this last decade, if you go through this chart, 2011-12, when incidentally I was the district governor of our district, we had 34,106 clubs, and the total membership worldwide was 11,96,423. Now, in these 10 years, now this 2020-21, if you go through this particular chart, number of clubs have been increasing. From 34,000, we have come to 36,000. But the number of Rotarians, from 11,96,000, we have come down to 11,74,000. So almost 2,000 new clubs. We have chartered almost 2,000 new clubs. And there is no growth in membership. 2,053 new clubs with net fall in membership is what we have seen in last decade. In our country, last decade, we started in 11-12 with 3,086 clubs and a membership of 1,10,000. And in 10 years, from 3,086, we have touched the figure of 3,941 clubs. Almost 900 new clubs in our country. And our membership has grown from 1,10,000 to 1,48,000. 855 new clubs, that gives a growth of 28%. 37,911 new members, 34% growth. We have contributed 45% of worldwide growth in new clubs. Now this is a comparison, worldwide and in our country. Worldwide, we have seen there is growth in clubs, but net fall in membership. In our country, we have seen growth in clubs as well as growth in membership. In our district in particular, in last 5 years since 2016, negligible net growth in membership, although new clubs have increased. Number of Rotarians per club has gone down from 42 to 37 in our district. Now, trying to understand the reasons behind the stagnancy at 1.2 million. These are the countries wherein we have seen the growth. And India is heading, these particular figures are from 2005 to 2015, that particular decade, wherein our country showed a growth of 31%, Sub-Saharan Africa 19%, Korea 15%, Philippines 10%. These are the countries which have shown growth in membership. And these are the countries where there is net drop in membership. Japan 11%. Now, specifically talking about Japan, the corporations which used to sponsor Rotarians to become a member of a Rotary club, they slowly decided not to sponsor because the profile of Rotarians, which I am going to talk about at length, the profile of Rotarians has been changed in last 2 decades and more. And that has caused, that is one of the reasons why there has been a fall in membership in Japan. Now, if we talk about US, the average age of Rotarian has been increasing every year. Now, our Rotary International Board of Directors and all the stalwarts there, they really took efforts in last 2 decades on other aspects of Rotary, basically introducing strategic plan in 2001-2, introducing every Rotarian every year in 2004-5, which helped the contribution to the foundation. Then from 2013, they started the Future Vision pilot for foundation, which also streamlined the foundation procedural part and made it more user-friendly. So last 2 decades, we have been going through changes, and those changes have been well accepted. But this membership aspect has not been dealt that seriously, which needs to be. And that is the reason wherein we are seeing net fall in membership worldwide. Now the questions which arise, has our growth been healthy? We'll talk about our country basically now. In India, as you have seen, in last 10 years, we have grown from 110,000 to 150,000. But do these numbers satisfy us? And are we able to attract the very best people from the society? That's a big question. Friends, the profile of Rotarian, which we have always respected, and we have always invited those Rotarians who have this particular inclination to give something back to the society. Rotarians worldwide believe that if highest ethical standards are preserved by each and every individual, most of the challenges which we face on the planet Earth, those challenges wouldn't arise itself. And second important staunch belief of Rotarians is that all the name, fame and accolade which we receive in our chosen business, profession or vocation is thanks to 3 different reasons. First, we are qualified for the same. Second, Almighty has been very kind to us as compared to the larger population of the world. When I make this statement, the figures are very disturbing. Almost 65 to 70% of the world population is in need of something or the other, the basic amenities, the basic necessities of life. And the third important reason is, with all the qualities, good or bad, which I possess, when I approach the larger section of the society to render my services, society has been very kind, warm and affectionate to accept me as what I am. So all the accolades, all the fame which I receive is thanks to the acceptance of the society. I am qualified, God has been very kind to us, and I have the society acceptance. When these 3 reasons are put together and we brainstorm on this, the rational outcome of a thought process comes to that whatever I am today is because of the society, and I should be giving something back to the society. And this particular aspect of giving something back to the society has kindled the spark within when we accepted the invitation which was extended to us by our friend to join Rotary. And once a Rotarian, always a Rotarian, we are not going to hesitate in giving. Giving, not always money. Giving is time, energy, resources, expertise, contacts, in whichever way we are able to give for the benefit of the larger section of the society. And so the caption for today's presentation, Har Ek Jodo Ek. Each one bring one. हमारा ये कर्तव्य बनता है. It's our moral duty that when we have been enjoying Rotary, we have tasted all the fruits of being a Rotarian for last so many years. So it's our duty, it's our moral duty that we should be inviting a good profile individual to our Rotary, which will definitely help growth in membership in long run. So this particular question when I have posed, are we able to attract the very best people from the society? This question is really bothering. Because when we see the growth in our country, our growth, I would make a statement, our growth is not healthy. Because we have seen new clubs forming, they have not been doing that well, except for few exceptions. New clubs have been formed, maybe because people, individuals have those aspirations for leadership, and from that, this particular aspect of aspirations of leadership has grown to such an extent that we are more keen on forming new clubs. Our leadership is also encouraging formation of new clubs, and which is not helping. It is not helping because it is showing slippage. It is showing slippage in the profile of Rotarians. That's important. The point which I am trying to reach to you is that there is slippage in the profile of Rotarians. Rotarians profile, which we'll see in the next slide, slide later. I would like to quote a statement by past Rotary International President Kalyan Banerjee. Welcoming a new member into a Rotary club is only the beginning of our task. To turn a new club member into a committed Rotarian, much more is necessary, and the first step is helping that new member to get involved, which at Rotary Club of Pune, we have been doing this particular aspect very effective. Past Rotary International President Ron Burton, I believe that if we can get prospective members to help us with the project, mind you, help us with the project, the rest will take care of itself. They will realize that they made a difference in someone's life. All those individuals who really believe that they want to become Rotarian to bring difference in someone's life, those Rotarians only should be inducted in Rotary Club. That's important. Our serving president, Rotary International President Holger Neck, we all agree that we need to grow Rotary, but sometimes we can get caught in the numbers game and lose sight of the bigger picture. In our country, unfortunately, we have got trapped in this numbers game. More number of clubs, more number of districts, good representation at the international level. These all things are becoming the major part of aspirations. And these things have really damaged the profile of Rotarians. Holger Neck says that after all, an increase in membership is meaningless if next year those new members leave our clubs. So let's grow Rotary sustainably. On 30th June this year, our membership figure was more than 1.2 million. But on 1st July, it came down to 11,75,000. In last 20 years, these particular measures which were taken, this really didn't help the membership figures. The attendance flexibility, non-adherence to classification, and club meetings flexibility. This has really not helped getting Rotarians into a club. Now, these are the new models which have been introduced. Now, we are aware of this E-Club. E-Club was introduced quite some time back. But E-Club has also not been effective to grow on membership. Now we have introduced Satellite Club, Passport Club, Corporate Club, Cause-based Club, Alumni-based Club, Rotary Club also can be a Rotarian. Now all these measures, friends, let me share with you. I'm not going into details of these models, but let me admit here, let me share with you that these efforts have been half-hearted. These are not genuine efforts. वो जो दीपक, वो जो एक टैप जो गल रहा होता है और वो जो अगर पानी का टैप जो गल रहा है उसके नीचे हम बकेट लगा देते हैं ताकि वो पानी सेव कर सके। लेकिन जो टैप लगा है, पानी गल रहा है और जो बकेट लगाई है, हमारे ध्यान में ये बात नहीं आती है कि वो बकेट को नीचे होल है,
मतलब बकेट गलती है,
बकेट को नीचे होल है। तो मेंबरशिप जो है, ये मेंबरशिप हमारे यहाँ फ्लोटिंग पॉपुलेशन बहुत बढ़ गया है। हजारों रोटेरियंस हमारे यहाँ हर साल आते हैं और हजारों रोटेरियंस हमारे छोड़कर चले जाते हैं। ये हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए दिस इज नॉट अ गुड एस्पेक्ट that for last 25 years we are blocked in this 1.2 million for various reasons. Every country has its own reason. But this particular aspect which I was talking about, the profile of Rotarians, the slippage in profile of Rotarians is disturbing. Belief in Rotary's motto is important, service above self. There has to be sensitive chord striking with Rotary's ideals. A Rotarian does not use Rotary as a vehicle for personal gain of networking. Important. Nowadays, we talk about networking and growth and all. Rotary means business and everything. Okay, that can be a peripheral part, that can be a perk. But the main aspect why we have joined Rotary is not networking. It's service first. When we always talk about service and fellowship, I am fond of making one particular statement when I talk about fellowship. What do we really mean by fellowship in Rotary? I've tried to give meaning to this particular word, fellowship. Fellowship is friendship extension, long-lasting, organizing worldly services, helping infinite people. That's the real meaning of fellowship in Rotary. When we get into the mode of service, united together, all the Rotarians coming together, someone gives his expertise, someone gives the thought, someone puts up the resources, someone gets money, and we all put all together, we really plan and execute a community-based, a humanity service project, which really gives us the soul enrichment. This particular aspect. Ethics and human values, respect for fellow being, tolerance and compassion, and believes in giving. These are the main aspects of profile of Rotarians. And what I want to convey here to all my senior friends here in Pune, Rotary Club of Pune, that you all have more than this particular profile of Rotarians, you are qualified more than that, you are above that. But only one thing, one request which I am coming to you, bring one friend of yours, maybe a family member, a business associate, or a relative, whatever. But try and bring a new Rotarian, an individual to your club. Basically, your club has that particular warmth and legacy of so many years, and you can really mentor new individuals, to become a good Rotary. This is the last slide of my presentation. We need members from profession who can influence the industry for benefit of Rotary. दीपक जी, यही बात मैं दोबारा इंसिस्ट करना चाहूंगा कि हमारे देश में ये पर्टिकुलर जो एस्पेक्ट है, इस एस्पेक्ट को नजरअंदाज किया गया है, इस एस्पेक्ट की तरफ ध्यान दिया गया नहीं है कि हमने रोटेरियंस ऐसे जोड़ने चाहिए कि जो इन्फ्लुएंस कर सके उनकी इंडस्ट्री में से जहां से वो आ रहे हैं, रोटरी के कार्य में मदद करने. Because leadership plan must not reflect that it is the membership that will attract the service, but it is the service that will attract the members. That's important. Membership is important, but those members who are really inclined to give something back to the society. So friends, this is what I wanted to share with you regarding the global scenario of Rotary and the scenario in our country. Rotary Club of Pune is doing amazingly well, but the worldwide scenario there's a cause of concern. Definitely some action plan should be designed by the seniors in Rotary to take this forward. I complete my presentation here, and if Deepak permits, if there's some time, we can take few questions. Thank you, and thanks once again for inviting me for your regular club meeting. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohan Bhai. We have 10 minutes more. We can take couple of questions. Bharat, kindly monitor that.
If you have a question, please raise your hand.
General Jambu Sarwala.
Yes, sir.
An excellent presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Firstly, I admire your share and shairi. In these days of COVID, and where virtual method of conduct of the Rotary Club has gained prominence, we find that this has resulted in the number of members gradually leaving the club, because earlier there was fellowship, they were mixing, it had some social significance and otherwise, in addition to what they were contributing to Rotary. What measures do you suggest that we follow to win back people or desist people from leaving because of this virtual method, which is not giving them their satisfaction?
Sir, the best method would be to get them involved into the thought process of conceptualizing a project and implementing a project. Basically, all those Rotarians who have not been got into the mainstream, identify the expertise in particular area, and it's the club leadership which can get them involved into giving the expertise for that particular thing. These are difficult times, sir, no doubt about it. These virtual meetings, we are not able to meet personally, interact personally, enjoy the fellowship of friends. These are tough times, but these are not going to be there for the entire year, we may say. क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा कि उसके बारे में भी एक शायरी बता देता हूँ झट से इस समय के बारे में, दीपक भाई।
Yeah, go ahead.
कि वक्त तो फिर वक्त है, वक्त तो फिर वक्त है, गुजर ही जाएगा, आज नहीं तो कल सब ठीक हो जाएगा। वक्त तो सिर्फ वक्त है, गुजर ही जाएगा, आज नहीं तो कल सब ठीक हो जाएगा। कल तक वक्त की कमी थी, कल तक वक्त की कमी थी, जिंदगी जाने किस रफ्तार से भाग रही थी और हम उसके पीछे। ये जो दिन बीत रहे हैं उन्होंने ख्वाबों में देखा था, हकीकत में हर किसी को वक्त से कितनी शिकायत थी। कहीं कुछ राहत के पल नसीब हो, कहीं कुछ राहत के पल नसीब हो, कुछ वक्त मिले अपनों के साथ गुजारने का, बच्चों के साथ बैठकर वो बचपन के खेल खेलने का, एक दूसरे का काम में हाथ बटाने का, दोस्तों से फुर्सत में बात करने का। आज वक्त रुका है, आज वक्त रुका है, तो हम क्यों नहीं रुक पा रहे, क्यों बेचैन है, इन पलों को जी नहीं पा रहे। कल क्या होगा कौन जानता है, कल क्या होगा कौन जाता है, जो होगा अच्छा होगा, यह यकीन खुद पर रखना है, अपनों का ख्याल रखना है और जरा सा हौसला रखना है। वक्त तो फिर वक्त है, चाहे कितना भी बुरा हो गुजर जाएगा। सर ये वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा। और आपका जो क्वेश्चन था उसका जवाब मैं यही देना चाहूंगा कि थोड़ा हम धीर रखेंगे, थोड़ा संयम रखेंगे, हम मेंबर्स को कुछ अलग अंदाज से, जैसे सबसे बड़ी बात तो वही मैंने कही कि जहां पर मेंबर कंट्रीब्यूट करना कर सकता है उसका वो पोटेंशियल आइडेंटिफाई करके उसे आप इस पूरे रोटी के प्रोसेस में आप इन्वॉल्व कीजिए, तो वो क्लब छोड़ने से बाज आएगा। यस, बैक टू दीपक।
Yes.
Any other questions?
Hasmukh Patel, you wanted to ask a question? Please unmute yourself. Go ahead, Hasmukh. Hasmukh bhai, go ahead.
It is good suggestion that we should involve our members. And this time will not be permanent. This COVID will go. And we have to motivate our members to continue. Right?
Okay, okay.
Yes, Hasmukh bhai.
Okay.
Any more questions?
Normally, all members are interested in fellowship. And this time will go, or PDG said rightly, it must be gujar jayega. So we are all should be hopeful, we should be all positive. And next month, I think we shall meet physically. Okay, bye.
Any other questions? President Deepak, I don't see any more questions.
Okay.
दीपक,
Yes, मोहन भाई.
खास तुमच्यासाठी आणि तुमच्या क्लबच्या सगळ्या मित्रांसाठी
हाँ.
दोन ओळी पटकन सांगतो
Okay, go ahead.
कि लोग मंजिल को मुश्किल समझते हैं, लोग मंजिल को मुश्किल समझते हैं, हम मुश्किल को मंजिल समझते हैं। बड़ा फर्क है लोगों में और हम में, बड़ा फर्क है लोगों में और हम में। लोग जिंदगी को दोस्त और हम दोस्तों को जिंदगी समझते हैं।
क्या बात है,
तुमच्यासाठी है दीपक भाई।
क्या बात है. Thank you, Mohan bhai. Thank you so much. Now I call upon Rotarian past president Guru Charan Singh Saluja to propose a vote of thanks.
Thanks. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, thanks, President Deepak, Secretary Rotarian Moses, and Rotarian NS Bakshi, who have given me the opportunity to propose the vote of thanks for our District 3131 hero, PDG Rotarian Mohan Palesha. So, on behalf of all the members of our RC Pune, I express a warm gratitude and a big thanks for being with us this evening. He has made our regular meeting event by his presence and his most inspirational and interesting speech on the theme as per our Rotary Month of membership. His poetic touch with his well-known charismatic smile is very admirable behind his beautiful salt and pepper beard. his emphasis on the growth and retention of membership was very impressive, especially the questionnaire session. So a big thanks again to our PDG Rotarian Mohan Palesha for sparing a good time for us with the hope he would join us again very soon. And very warm thanks to other guests who are with us this evening. दो लफ्ज आपसे मैच तो नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन अभी लिखे हैं मैंने अपने। शुक्रिया आपका मोहन भाई, जो आए आप नया जज्बा लेकर, जगा गए नए जज्बात हमारे अपनी बातों से जाते जाते। थैंक्स।
Thank you. Thanks, Rotarian Saluja. Here the Rotarian Past District Governor Mohan. Whenever he comes to club, we get, more shyer in our club. And that's a wonderful thing. Yes, yes. And I'm looking forward, Mohan Bhai, probably I'm optimistic that we will be definitely meet physically and we will have a wonderful fellowship with you and with all the district leaders.
Looking forward.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Now I declare the meeting is closed. Thank you and good night.